Now, as schools reopen in several states, Delhi government's expert panel has backed a phased reopening for schools in the national capital. Offline classes in Karnataka, meanwhile, have already resumed after 18 months. Children will be back in Telangana schools from the 1st of September. Here's a report on what different states are planning to do now.
India's active COVID-19 cases are at the lowest in over 150 days. The steady decline in infections has prompted many states to finally call for opening of schools. With masks, thermal screening and other strict SOPs in place, children in many parts of the country have already ditched the screen for in-person classes. Several other states are keen on emulating from them. States that welcomed kids back to school this month include Andhra Pradesh, Bihar, Uttarakhand, Maharashtra and Punjab. In Delhi, just Class 10 and Class 12 students are back in school to complete admission procedures and for practical lessons. The Delhi government's expert committee has proposed in its report that all classes should be opened and senior classes should open first in a phased manner. But the final call will be taken by the Delhi Disaster Management Authority. Uttar Pradesh, that was all set to reopen schools on August 23rd, has postponed it indefinitely. Karnataka reopened schools in districts with less than 2% COVID-19 positivity rate on Monday. Karnataka Chief Minister Basavaraj Bommai visited a school in Bengaluru that saw an underwhelming 38% attendance.
The schools have started, children are happy, teachers are happy. I have asked them to take care of their COVID norms and health, and I wish them all the best. Knowledge is very important.
Kerala and West Bengal are among the states yet to reopen schools. In the absence of a vaccine for kids, parents are a worried lot. Zydus Cadilla's Zycovid-D, India's first vaccine for children, gives parents hope.
गवर्नमेंट से और सीएम से यही अपेक्षा रहेगी कि उन्होंने जल्द से जल्द इसको हर सेंटर पे देना चाहिए और उनका वैक्सीनेशन शुरू करना चाहिए ताकि आगे किसी भी तरीके का कोई लॉस ना हो सके।
थर्ड वेव में अगर बच्चों को वैक्सीन आ गया है थर्ड वेव के लिए तो कोरोना ना हो, इसके लिए तो हमें ऐसा लगता है कि बच्चों को ये वैक्सीन लेना ही चाहिए और सभी पेरेंट्स ने इसके ऊपर ध्यान देना चाहिए।
The roadmap for school reopening comes even as fears of infections among kids is looming large. In Karnataka, 242 children were infected in August first week when schools were opened. Himachal Pradesh saw 62 such infections. In Punjab, 27 kids were infected till mid-August. Experts, however, assure that there is no evidence so far to suggest COVID leads to serious disease among children. Bureau Report, India Today.